guys, here's a project going on right next to ours, huge townhouse. Wanted to chat about speed of project. I've chatted about this before, and I figure why not just come check out what's going on. We're just at the punch out list stage. Everything's basically done. Few things that need to be fixed, but we are basically rent ready. People can come in and look at this property now. I think we already have had final pictures. So if you want to just watch the final walkthrough of this property without hearing me talk about speed of renovation, then I'll put a link in the description. But the property next door, 2 doors down, same layout. They ended up going with a 3-bedroom. This is a 5-bedroom because we added a bedroom. It was 4 before, and we added an extra one in the basement. Here's a nice new carpet color that we're trying out. But speed. I think they've started at least a month or multiple months before us because they were pretty far along in the project. When we first purchased the property, I said, oh man, it looks great. And sorry, the washer, I'm testing out the washer to make sure there's no leaks. But we finished up our renovation. It was a pretty big renovation, as you can see. Floors are done, doors, walls, drywall, trash out, washer and dryer over here. But you make so much money if you can go quicker on your renovations. That means you can pay your contractors more because you start getting rent money, or you sell the property quicker because you won't have to pay as much holding cost. But it's so important to just how quickly you can get your renovation done and speeding that up. So as you can see, we're done. It looks like they still got some drywall sheets. I did walk through the building and it's gorgeous, and they did a lot more intricate details than we did. But I mean, if the goal is to make a profit in this and not to just make a beautiful house, then we win. Because we're gonna make it better, a good profit. They're gonna give us an amazing comp. I think they're gonna list at $350 is what they said they wanted. We purchased this property for $125. I mean, and we got more bedrooms. So they're gonna give us this amazing comp that if we ever did wanna sell, which when we purchase properties, if you know us, we like to purchase them like we're gonna hold them forever. And so, but we're gonna be able to make probably $2,500 a month for the months that we beat them out in renovation, which is huge. Imagine if we beat them in renovation for, let's say, 4 or 5 months. And I see this all the time. Investors just taking forever on the renovation, whether they're not on site or they hired the wrong contractor, and they're leaving so much money on the table. But if we were to beat them by a renovation of 5 months and we make $2,500 a month, I mean, what is that? It's $12,500. And it just becomes huge. You just leave all this money on the table. So it just goes to show you want to do whatever you can, get your systems in place, get your processes in place. Always keep your eyes open for great contractors at all times, so you can get your projects done quicker than everybody else at a good quality. So hopefully that helps some of you guys there today. Hopefully you enjoyed the walkthrough. I will put the professional video walkthrough because it will be much better than mine. I didn't do this with a mic or anything. But if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna help you get your first, your second, your third rental, and we're gonna help you do it right, and so you don't lose money like a lot of people. See you guys in the next episode.